Hello, I'm Sue Grant from Berthon, and I'm sending you this short message for the WCC newsletter, and it's actually about our market report. This has just been released. It's an annual publication from Berthon, and it tells you what happened in 2020, which, by the way, was an absolutely huge year. We have reports from our 5 offices across 2 continents. There are also reports on our various disciplines, Bluewater cruising, motor, performance, and also about those yachts in our new yacht stables, including Solaris, Moody and Rustler. Aside from the COVID pandemic, of course, the aftershocks of Brexit have been very much felt in yachting. There are 3 areas that have caused huge concern for sailors, both in the UK and internationally. These are VAT, RCD and flagging. And this market report has articles about these 3 subjects that we've had written by external contributors. We felt this was important given their importance. So on VAT, Simon Anslow from PFK, Francis Clark, has written for us. He also advises British Marine. RCD, Alistair Ray, our go-to person for all things RCD from HPI verification. And on flagging, which has changed quite a lot in terms of the UK flag, and which delivers the ability for international clients like Americans to have the UK flag, is all detailed. There are also articles about the business end of yachting from David Tiedemann, ex-Oyster, ex-Fairline, and in-house articles about boat shows, COVID-19, and of course our Berthon forecast, where we try to imagine what 2021 will bring, which is quite a big thing to try and do. So you will see the links in the newsletter, but please follow www.berthoninternational.com/publications/Berthon Market Report 2021. Thank you, and I hope you will find that this market report makes interesting reading.